Imagine this. A camera so small it slips into your jeans pocket, yet captures the raw soul of black and white photography like nothing else. The Ricoh GR IV Monochrome isn't just gear. It's your secret weapon for street shots that stop hearts, turning everyday chaos into timeless art. Why it changes everything. Picture walking through New York streets at dusk, shadows dancing on brick walls, and every snap reveals drama no color camera can touch. Its 25.74 megapixel APS-C sensor skips color filters entirely, grabbing pure light and tone from every pixel for insane detail and that creamy micro-contrast pros crave. You feel the texture of rain-slicked pavement or the grit in a stranger's gaze. It's like having a Leica monochrome shrunk to perfection, but half the price and weight. High ISO up to 409,600 turns night into poetry, with noise that looks like exquisite film grain, not digital mush. Pocket power unleashed. Forget bulky mirrorless rigs that scream photographer here. This beast weighs next to nothing, with a fixed 28mm f/2.8 lens, sharp edge-to-edge, perfect for candid urban hunts. Snap from the hip, 5-axis stabilization gives you 6 stops of shake-free magic. So even at 1/15 th in dim alleys, your images pop crisp. Hybrid phase detect AF locks on fast, even in shadows or with the red filter cranking contrast to 11. Your subjects won't know you captured their essence. The monochrome magic. Ever desaturate a color JPEG and wonder why it falls flat? Here, every shot starts pure monochrome, with 6 new profiles from soft velvet tones to brutal high-contrast punch. Push ISO high on purpose for that push process Tri-X vibe, or dial in the red filter for skies like velvet knives. Raw files in 14-bit DNG let you sculpt in Lightroom, but JPG straight out? Gallery-ready weapons that demand double taps. And 53 gigabytes built-in storage means no card, just endless shooting. Street shooter's dream. You're dodging crowds in Times Square, framing a sax player in golden hour glow. But monochrome strips distractions, forcing you to see light like never before. The electronic shutter hits January 16th, 000 wide open in blazing sun without filters, pure creative freedom. Snap silent, stealthy, with full HD video at 60p if motion calls. Black and white clips that feel cinematic. Customize buttons for instant access. ND filter, snap focus zones, effects dial. It's not a camera. It's an extension of your eye. Beats the competition. Stack against Fuji X106 monochrome hacks or Leica Q3 post-processing. No contest. Dedicated sensor means zero Bayer blur, superior low light, and tones that sing. Full-frame Leica monochromes cost a fortune and won't pocket like this. GR loyalists upgrading from II9 Rave. Sharper, faster, more addictive. Priced around $1,000, it's a steal for pros and enthusiasts chasing that elusive film look without darkroom hassle. Real-world wins. I took one to Brooklyn Bridges at midnight. ISO 25,600 shots rival medium format prints. Grain adding soulful texture. A barista's laugh mid-pour. Frozen forever with perfect skin gradation. Flash syncs flawlessly for night portraits that glow. Users flood forums. Sold my Leica for this pocket rocket. Best street tool ever. You won't put down. Creative fire ignited. This camera rewires your brain. Hunt contrasts, sculpt shadows, ignore hue. Experiment with grain as art, red filter for surreal drama, or soft profiles for dreamy portraits. Pair with a wrist strap, hit the city, and watch your feet explode. It's not gear, it's obsession fuel. Why wait? In a world of rainbow filters, the Ricoh GR IV Monochrome demands you feel photography's core. Light versus dark. Grab one, pocket it, and transform mundane moments into masterpieces. Your next viral shot awaits. Don't just watch this video, live it. Head to Ricoh's site now, because true artists don't settle for color when black and white owns the soul.